Hey guys! Wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year's. So, how was your Diwali? कैसे celebrate किया आपने? Do let me know in the comments below. Yes, ये बार का दिवाली काफ़ी अलग था compared to all the Diwali we have celebrated. But nevertheless, it was fun filled with family, virtually connected with friends, relatives, and that is another experience. So this video was supposed to go live during Diwali, but due to some reason, couldn't able to make it live during Diwali. So I tried making Rangoli using colors for the first time, and it was very terrible. And I'm very terrible in making Rangoli. Most of the time, I made it with flowers, and this was the first time I made it with using colors. Also, like मैंने पहले वाले videos में जो भी देखा था, compare like people are using household materials. So this time I thought of making it using household materials. So yes, I tried using household materials, but some of the elements didn't work out for me. I mentioned it in the video, and yes, do let me know if you try it out. And this was one of the simple video which I have made it across. And do let me know how did you find it. So किस बात की हमें देरी है? Let's get started. Hoop rings, bottles, glue bottles, caps, some paper cuts, and some earbuds. So, if you enjoyed watching my videos, please do subscribe my channel. It would really mean a lot. And I'll promise I'll be more frequent. I'll try to start incorporating card making videos, some little DIYs, some doodles in this channel. So, press the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification. Till then, see ya.